Let us begin with a truth that will forever change how you see the ocean's charismatic clowns. The seal is not just a cute, clumsy, beach-bouncing ball of blubber. It is one of the most successful marine predators on Earth, a creature that has conquered the world's oceans, from the freezing polar ice to the tropical shores, with adaptations that are nothing short of miraculous. They are the dogs of the sea, the wolves of the water, with a playful intelligence, a surprising agility, and a life that straddles two worlds, the ocean and the land. A seal can dive to depths of over 1,000 meters, hold its breath for over an hour, and navigate in complete darkness using its whiskers to detect the faintest vibrations. On land, they may appear awkward, but in the water, they are poetry in motion, graceful, powerful, and deadly. But here is the paradox that haunts every marine biologist who studies them. Despite their remarkable adaptability and their widespread distribution, seals are facing unprecedented threats from human activity. They are entangled in fishing nets, poisoned by pollution, affected by climate change, and hunted in some parts of the world. The seal has been on this planet for over 30 million years, evolving from land-dwelling carnivores into the masters of the marine world. It has witnessed the rise of our species, the building of cities, and the emptying of the seas. And now, it is looking at us with those big, dark, intelligent eyes, and it is asking a question that we are too afraid to hear. What have you done with your world? Today, we are telling the biography of the seal, not one species, but all seals, the diverse, charismatic, and endangered families of the world's oceans. The seal belongs to the order Pinnipedea, which includes seals, sea lions, and walruses. They are divided into three main families: the true seals, or Phocidae, which lack external ears and have short, stubby front flippers; the eared seals, or Otarii, which include sea lions and fur seals with long, powerful front flippers; and the walrus, or Odobeneidae, which is the only living species in its family, distinguished by its large tusks. The earliest pinnipeds appeared over 30 million years ago, evolving from land-dwelling carnivores similar to bears and otters. Over millions of years, they adapted to life in the water, developing streamlined bodies, flippers, and a thick layer of blubber for insulation. Today, there are over 30 species of seals found in every ocean on Earth, from the Arctic to the Antarctic, from the tropics to the temperate zones. They inhabit a wide range of environments, from the icy waters of the polar regions to the warm, sandy beaches of the subtropics. Some species, like the harbor seal, are found along coastal waters, while others, like the elephant seal, roam the open ocean. Despite their wide distribution, seal populations are under immense threat. Many species are classified as threatened or endangered, including the Hawaiian monk seal, which is one of the most endangered marine mammals on Earth, with only about 1,500 individuals. The Mediterranean monk seal is also critically endangered, with fewer than 800 individuals. The seal is a creature of extremes, but it is also a creature of vulnerability. What defines a seal? Let us start with the body, because the seal's body is a monument to aquatic adaptation. Seals have a streamlined, torpedo-shaped body with a thick layer of blubber that insulates them from the cold and provides energy reserves for long migrations. Their flippers are powerful and efficient, with the hind flippers acting as the primary source of propulsion in the water, while the front flippers are used for steering and stability on land. Their skin is smooth and rubbery, covered in a layer of fur or hair. Their eyes are large and adapted for underwater vision, with a tapetum lucidum that reflects light, enhancing their vision in the dark. Their ears are either visible or hidden, but their hearing is highly sensitive, capable of detecting the high-frequency sounds used for communication and navigation. Their whiskers, or vibrissae, are incredibly sensitive, able to detect the faintest vibrations in the water, allowing them to locate prey even in complete darkness. They have a complex respiratory system, with large lungs and a high concentration of myoglobin in their muscles, allowing them to store oxygen for long dives. Their brain is relatively large, with well-developed regions associated with intelligence, memory, and social bonding. Seals are highly intelligent, capable of problem-solving, learning, and communicating through a complex system of vocalizations, body language, and visual signals. Their average lifespan is 20 to 30 years, depending on the species. Now, let us talk about the seal's social life, because the seal is not the solitary creature it is often perceived to be. Many seal species are highly social, forming large colonies on beaches and ice floes. These colonies can consist of thousands of individuals with complex social hierarchies and behaviors. The core unit of seal society is the mother-pup bond, which is one of the most intense in the animal kingdom. A mother will nurse her pup for several weeks, providing it with rich, fatty milk that helps it grow rapidly. During this time, the mother and pup bond, learning to recognize each other's calls. The pup will then be weaned and must learn to hunt and survive on its own. Seals also have a range of social behaviors, including vocalizations, postures, and displays, which are used for communication, mating, and establishing dominance. Male seals often engage in elaborate displays, including vocalizations and physical combat, to compete for mates. Seals are also known to form strong bonds with family members, often staying together for life. The seal's diet is as diverse as its species. They feed primarily on fish, squid, crustaceans, and other marine life, using a variety of hunting strategies. Some species, like the leopard seal, are apex predators, hunting penguins and other seals. Others, like the crab-eater seal, are filter feeders, consuming vast quantities of krill. Seals use their sensitive whiskers to detect prey in the water, and their powerful jaws and sharp teeth to capture and consume their prey. They're capable of diving to great depths and holding their breath for long periods to hunt. The hunting habits of seals shape the ecosystem. By consuming vast quantities of prey, they regulate populations, preventing overpopulation and maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem. Their feeding behavior also helps to recycle nutrients, as their fecal plumes provide essential nutrients to phytoplankton, which are the base of the marine food web. Seals are ecosystem engineers, shaping the environment in ways that benefit many other species. Reproduction is another critical aspect of the seal's life story, and it is a slow, deliberate process that reflects the species' vulnerability. Seals have a relatively slow reproductive rate, with females typically giving birth to a single pup every 1 to 3 years. The gestation period is approximately 9 to 12 months, depending on the species. The pup is born weighing several kilograms and is immediately dependent on its mother for nursing and protection. The mother provides extensive parental care, nursing the pup for several weeks and teaching it essential survival skills. The bond between a mother and her pup is one of the strongest in the animal kingdom, lasting for the duration of the nursing period. The slow reproductive rate makes seals vulnerable to population declines, as the loss of even a few breeding individuals can have a significant impact on the population. Now let us talk about the seal's daily struggle, because life for a seal is a constant battle against hunger, disease, and the encroachment of humans. Seals face a variety of natural threats, including predators like sharks, killer whales, and polar bears, which hunt young or weakened individuals. They also face threats from disease and parasites, which can weaken them and make them vulnerable to predation. However, the most significant threat to seal survival is human activity.
Seals are entangled in fishing nets, often drowning in the nets set for fish and other marine life. They are also affected by pollution, which accumulates in their blubber, weakening their immune systems. Climate change is also altering the distribution of their prey and the availability of breeding grounds. In some parts of the world, seals are also hunted for their fur, blubber, and meat. The seal's struggle is not just a biological one, it is a fight against the consequences of human activity, a fight that will determine its fate. How is the seal useful to humans? Let us count the ways that are rarely acknowledged. First, ecosystem regulation. Seals are the apex predators of the ocean, maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. By consuming vast quantities of prey, they regulate populations and prevent overpopulation. Second, nutrient recycling. Seal fecal plumes provide essential nutrients to phytoplankton, which are the base of the marine food web. Third, ecotourism. Seal watching is a multi-billion-dollar industry in many parts of the world. Tourists come from all over the world to see these magnificent animals in their natural habitats, and the revenue generated supports local communities and conservation efforts. Fourth, scientific research. Seals are a model species for studying the evolution of marine mammals, diving physiology, and climate change. Fifth, cultural significance. Seals have been woven into the mythology and art of coastal cultures for thousands of years, representing strength, playfulness, and the spirit of the ocean. Now, what can humans learn from the seal? First, the power of adaptation. Seals have adapted to life in the water, developing incredible diving and hunting skills. Humans can learn to adapt to changing circumstances. Second, the importance of social bonds. Seals form strong bonds with their families and communities. Humans can learn to value their relationships more deeply. Third, that intelligence is not just for accumulation. Seals use their intelligence to solve problems and share knowledge. Humans can learn to use their intelligence for the common good. Fourth, that the ocean is a shared resource. Seals depend on healthy oceans. Humans must learn to protect the seas that sustain all life.
Now let us talk about conservation. Because the story of the seal is not over. It is being written now by each of us. Many seal species are still endangered. The Hawaiian monk seal is critically endangered. The Mediterranean monk seal is critically endangered. And the Saima ringed seal is endangered. The primary threats to seal populations are entanglement in fishing gear, pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction. There are solutions. Protected areas, including marine reserves and sanctuaries, can safeguard critical habitats and allow seal populations to recover. Bycatch reduction measures, including the use of seal-safe fishing gear, can reduce accidental mortality. Reducing pollution and mitigating climate change through regulation and education can also help. Community-based conservation, where local communities are involved in protecting seals, has also been successful. Education is key. People need to understand that seals are not just a resource, they are essential partners in the health of the planet. The future of the seal depends on our choices today. And now we come to the final truth. The seal has been on this planet for over 30 million years. It has survived ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and the shifting of continents. It has witnessed the rise of our species from small coastal hunters into global dominators. It has been hunted, captured, and exploited. And yet, it is still here, playing in the waves, basking on the beaches, and raising its young. It is looking at us with those big, dark, intelligent eyes, and it is asking a question that we are too afraid to hear. What have you done with your world? We have the power to destroy the seal. We also have the power to save it. The choice is ours. Every time we look at a seal, we see a creature that is not so different from us. A creature that loves its children, protects its family, and grieves its dead. A creature that has lived in harmony with its environment for millions of years. A creature that teaches us what it means to be human. Because in the end, the seal is not just an animal, it is a mirror. It reflects our capacity for love, for memory, for grief, and for hope. It shows us who we are and who we could be. So let us protect the seal, not because it is useful, but because it is sacred. Not because it is endangered, but because it is irreplaceable. Let us give the seal a future, not just for its sake, but for ours. Because a world without seals is a world without wonder, a world without wisdom, a world without memory. And that is a world we do not want to live in.